So, I want to show you how to clean engine parts, what you can do at home. Buy a bucket, yeah, bucket of the IKEA, not expensive, works well. Only one problem: when you drop something too hard, it will crack the bottom and your petrol with all the dirt is flowing away and gives a horrible smell in your house. So, okay. Normal petrol, I think. Whoa! Yes, this brand new petrol. You put it in your tank to drive with it, and this is what I'm going to use to clean all those things here. At the moment I don't have a heater of open fire in my shed because I'm always afraid of fire. So, okay, get off my watch. This one is too heavy. I'm using a normal painter's brush and then I clean everything out. Yes, I do like the smell of petrol. Beware of open fire because you don't like it. If this catches fire, you're not happy. All the petrol or gasoline or fuel is getting dirty now and you can't use it for your motorbike. But don't throw it away. Store it. All the heavy parts are going to the bottom and you can use it to clean more engine parts for several times. And when it gets really dark, you throw it away. Ja?
Papa, waar is de sleutel van de achterdeur?
Weet ik niet. Maar ik ben even aan het filmen, kom er zo wel aan. Jij blijft gewoon even binnen, hè?
Ja,
Kom er zo aan, Larissa. All the dirt and the grease, normally it's sand and grease from the engine, will stick together and give a like tarmac service. And if you give it a little bit of time, the fuel, the gasoline or petrol will dissolve a lot of problems. Then I'm going to sandblast it, and now I see this engine cover is not really bad. It looks very nice. How the less engine oil is inside this cover, how better it is, because sand and engine oil will stick together and give a problem. It will demolish your engine. Sand or grinding adhesives are terrible for the engine, so you don't want to have it. So get all the engine oil out of this part, and how the less engine oil is inside or grease outside of the engine, how better it is and how better the results are. Zo. if you can't get it off like that here, don't worry, we're going to remove it with sandblasting, but the most of the grease are gone now, and that is what I want. And sometimes you need a steel brush to remove some dirt. Look, there is also a problem. Sometimes it's better so. Yes. So. Looks nice to me. Now what I am going to do is give it some time, and I'm not showing that, but later on when I go to sandblast it, I hope the most of this gasket will come loose and the most of that there are also gone, and then I'm going to sandblast it because I need a rear cover. I want to finish an engine. So, thanks for watching. I take you with me in a later movie. Bye bye!